Hey there! Are you afraid of solving integrals? Well, you're not the only one. In today's video, we're making integration easy. Let's kick things off with the basics. Integration isn't scary when you understand it step by step. By the end of this video, you'll be confidently solving integrals and tackling problems like a pro. You will understand what integration really is and solve questions on your own. Get ready to transform your understanding of math. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on more killer tutorials. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. Alright, let's jump right in. We're starting with indefinite integrals. First thing you need to remember. The integral is like the reverse of taking a derivative. Let's start easy. Example 1. This one's a classic. To integrate x squared, all you need to do is increase the exponent by 1 and then divide by that new exponent. So it becomes x cubed divided by 3. And don't forget your constant of integration plus c. See? Simple. Example 2. Here's another straightforward one. Process is the same. Increase the exponent by 1 and divide by that new exponent. But we've got a constant, so don't worry, it doesn't change anything except for multiplying the result by that constant. So 5x dx becomes 5x squared divided by 2. And again, add that constant of integration. And we're done. Example 3. Now, let's step it up just a tiny bit. This one involves a trigonometric function. The integral of cos x is one of those you just need to know. It's a standard result. So this equals sine x plus c. That's right. Just like that. These 3 examples cover the basics, polynomials, and simple trigonometric functions. The key is to remember the basic rules and apply them. Just keep practicing, and soon these integrals will be second nature. Remember, the more you practice, the quicker you'll get. So don't get discouraged by complex-looking problems, break them down step by step and use what you've learned. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Got questions or need more examples? Drop them in the comments below and I'll help you out. Catch you next time. Keep integrating and keep crushing it.